Ding dong, Karen's caught red-handed. Watch as sneaky Karens get exposed by doorbell cams, proving that no misdeed goes unnoticed. Smile, Karen, you're on camera. After spotting some political signs in her neighbor's yard, this bored Karen decides to spark an argument, stating the signs will cause a civil war. The enraged Karen leaves only to come back later with proof that backs her up. To be more specific, section 5.20?
You cannot have that up in this neighborhood unless you want a civil war. Hey, listen to me. You cannot have political signs in this neighborhood. So I don't care what you saw. You read your neighborhood association. I will put Trump signs in the neighborhood.
Hello, can I help you?
I want to talk to you. This is Elba. I want to show you something.
I'm sorry, I can't come to the door right now.
Get out your neighborhood bylaws. It's section 5.20. No signs shall be in the yards. If you don't take this Harris Biden down, I will sue you. And I was going to have you sell my house, but that's not going to happen now, and you're going to lose a lot of business because of this crap. You get out your neighborhood association bylaws, section 5.20.
This looting loser gets shamed by a good Samaritan to put the package back he's stealing, and he listens.
This sticky-fingered Karen is caught red-handed by a doorbell camera, stealing all the candy so no one else can get any.
This thieving Karen feels the weight of her actions when she realizes she's been set up to steal a box of bricks.
The f*** you doing? I got you on video and your plates.
This loudmouth Karen chooses the wrong neighbor. Wait for it.
Can I have somebody come in here? Anybody? I need to talk to somebody. Yeah, is that your child screaming?
Yes.
Well, it's really loud in our neighborhood. I've lived here for 30 years, and since you guys came in, it's really loud, okay? So,
Is it in the daytime?
it doesn't matter. All day I've been hearing that screaming, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's my child and she's gonna get screaming.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
Go back to your country. How about
Well,
that?
oh,
Go back
yeah,
to Mexico.
what's my country?
I don't know.
Tell me what's my country? You're my
It's a good thing there's a camera watching as this delivery driver scams an Amazon customer out of a package. The audacity of these people! This porch pirating male Karen is caught red-handed, trying to steal someone's packages. But as he tries to flee the scene of his crime, karma comes back to bite him.
Yeah, that's done. You're done. You're done. Cops is coming. Cops is coming. Quick, call the police, now! Look, Dan, your wheels are not spinning anywhere.
You're caught! You...
Did you call?
It's calling. It's going to your number. I don't know the number.
It's front wheel drive. You need to get the other.
5244.
It's front wheel drive. You need to get the wheels on the ground.
Seriously, he's gonna take a sip of water right now?
Who knows?
Stealing from anybody is bad, but stealing $80 worth of groceries from your next door neighbor is pure stupidity. The neighbor Karen has since been arrested for assault as a weapon was fired toward another neighbor. The Karen in this next clip has a long history of harassing the family whose doorbell you're about to watch from. But because they share a walkway, the family can't get a restraining order, so they have to put up with stuff like this.
Why are you taking pictures of my things?
What?
Yeah.
I can take pictures on here. What's wrong with you?
Those are my things.
I can't take pictures. That's really too bad.
Well, I'm also going to tell you that you're not allowed to speak to my daughter or be around her from this point forward. And if I catch you trying to be around her when I'm not around, I'm going to get you in trouble.
Catch me at it.
I've already seen you do it, Anita. You got mad and you said some very out of the line things, and I don't appreciate that. And if my daughter would have heard that, you would have been such a horrible person for that.
Call your other daughter. You got stuff to talk to her about.
Anita, you need to have your family come talk to you because you have some serious problems. You have no respect. No respect.
Are you really going to talk to me through your thing?
Well, I'm just making sure you don't ruin more of my stuff, Anita.
This Karen is caught with her hand in the cookie jar, or should I say mailbox. Either way, she won't be doing it again.
Hey, my God, door. Give it back. I didn't get nothing. I didn't get nothing. Everything's there. Do you hear me? I hear you.
This crazed Karen sets a new world record for how many times a doorbell is pressed in a 3-minute window, all because she's annoyed about a little cat who's watching her. Try and spot him.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong. Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside.
This package thief is caught in the act, but claims that they're her packages. Soon after this video was taken, she could be seen stuffing the packages under parked cars to save for later. So the person behind the camera went and retrieved them. And guess what? Turns out they were stolen.
Suspicious that
Suspicious.
you're opening them outside.
I didn't get them from in here.
I've had some packages stolen from me recently.
Well, those are mine.
You're stealing packages.
Worst. They're not from there.
Aw yes, pounding on your neighbor's door and shouting loudly down a doorbell. That's a surefire way to stop the dogs barking.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
No, I've listened to your dogs bark every minute of every day for 2 years. You come out and talk to me. Hi.
I wonder who this masked thief could be. Turns out it's a neighbor who clearly doesn't understand how cameras work, or shirts for that matter.
Our next porch pirate Karen was caught in the act, seconds before running away with the goods.
Stop now! Stop now! Hey! That's late! Stop now! Stop now! Hey!
When planning an elaborate act to try to steal other people's packages, at least try to think about the main thing, being seen. These boys fail hilariously, and their crime is there for all to see.
Neighbors go head-to-head through a doorbell camera now, and things get aggressive, passive-aggressive, as they hit back at one another about all the things they've done which has annoyed them. Who do you think won?
Neighbor, I was really excited when I saw you putting your rugs out on your own furniture yesterday, and then when I came across my fence, once again, you have no respect after I even threw them on the floor. So, here's a really fun joke for you. Why do they call them Karens? Because they don't have a f***ing care in the world. Stay off the fence. Ready? Some candy. Here for some sweets.
I'm glad you threw them over the fence, so I had to wash them again. Took longer to dry. They just stay there longer.
This Amazon driver tries to pull a fast one when scamming a customer out of their package by scanning it for delivery, then removing it. But when the customer sees him doing it and pulls up on it, the delivery driver makes a weird lie and looks very shaken.
Excuse me. Was that for here?
Yeah. I think that's the time.
Okay.
This low IQ delivery driver is delivering a package when he notices a pride flag on the property, so he decides to leave a package of his own. Unbelievable.
That's it.
Whilst her customer is helping herself to some food, this delivery driver Karen is helping herself to her customers' packages. Don't these thieves realize that security cameras exist?
Sometimes when you get caught, it's easier to just say, yeah, fair enough, you got me. Not this stealing Karen, though, who blames the owner of the package for stealing her boss's box. After getting into a little altercation on the road, this Karen follows a man home because she's still not happy about him cutting her off, but she wasn't prepared for his angry mother who was waiting for her.
I just slam on my brakes because you sped around me in a very short period of distance.
You know what this is?
I know what that is, and I have been. I've been driving since before you were born. Right side of you. Before you were born.
So okay.
Yes, I saw the merge lane, and your job is to merge safely, and you did not.
And that's your fault.
No, it is not my fault.
Yeah, it is.
You are driving your car.
Right, and you're driving your car.
I'll tell you what. Yeah, I'm driving it very well.
Were you?
Yes.
I don't know about that.
All right,
Aunt.
almost caused an accident.
Anthony, that's enough.
What happened?
And she followed him home.
Because of you.
Okay, so why do you think it's safe for you to follow someone home?
Because he needs me well. He laughed. When I checked him, he laughed.
So she decides,
He laughed.
I'm in the merchant lane. In front of her. She decides,
Okay,
get up.
I am a mother.
You have to okay, but you don't have to come into my house. First of all, and stay in my house, causing issues. Get the you now. You're causing issues here. Karen, are you serious?
I am not Karen.
Get that phone out of my face. Karen?
That's not my name.
Really? You're fucking Karen? You don't follow somebody to their house. You should have just kept going and left it alone. Take your ass out of here. Take your ass.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Exactly.
Karen gets a wicked twist of fate as she's attacked by a brick pillar before she can escape with the goods. This male Karen is outwitted by a quick-thinking Karen catcher who stops him in his tracks. Now, we all know Karens are entitled, but this Karen takes it to the extreme as she thinks she's entitled to everyone else's packages. Watch what happens after she's caught red-handed.
That's going to the police.
So I'm handing it to you. What's
Put it down.
What?
Put it down on the ground. On the ground.
Oh, you're.
And you can
There
give
you
me
go.
the one that you've got in your purse as well.
Oh, good one. And you can't hand them to her or what?
Stealing packages
Huh?
at the front doorstep and now
Put
she's
them down.
calling your house.
What, you can't hand
Please,
them?
please.
You can put them on the
I'll write it
ground.
here.
Look at this, Karen. Look at this, Karen.
What's wrong with you? I was handing them to you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
This next package owner appears out of nowhere to catch a thieving Karen. Wait for it. Karens are renowned for not having many fans, but even gravity gives up on our next Karen as she tries to flee with someone else's stuff.
This male Karen has to get creative when trying to steal packages, as a snowstorm had just blew through the area, and all the packages were frozen to the porch. But when he opens them up, he doesn't like what he sees.
Our next male Karen targets an old man's porch to steal packages from. Big mistake. Wait for it.
Little does he know, this old man was ready for him.
Put my back on this porch. Yeah. I saw you when you got out the mother car. You tried it. Put my back on this porch. You done lost your motherfucking mind. You gonna come up on my and took my You
The
love
old man practiced great trigger discipline. This could have ended a lot worse for the porch pirate.
You see this just trying.
Our next thief thinks he's pretty clever by evading the doorbell camera. So clever that he forgets about the huge camera above him. Next up, we have a Karen presenting a case without the proper say-so, and when the judge tries to dismiss her, the Karen interrupts, talks back to, and argues with the judge, and is fined $500 for her troubles. Now that's what we call reaping what you sow.
Per for my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking Mr. Nicoletti.
I haven't signed a PPO. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion, taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I said I knew it was fixed.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in